What is going on, guys? It is Fitz, Miller, Spencer, and Danny back here with another video. Spencer and I just got back from Boba. We were just filming, or I just finished up filming another video that you guys hopefully watched yesterday. Long story short, new wheels for the LS. Test fitted the wheels for the Skyline. If you haven't seen yesterday's video, go check it out. But Danny is about to put the V9Rs on the Lexus, which should be pretty freaking sweet. We're gonna get right into it. But we're on the way home and Danny calls me and he's like, "Hey, what's up?" It's like, "Your dad's a nice person. Did you meet him or something?" "No, I didn't meet him." Danny, is that him blowing the leaves in the background?" "Oh yeah, I met him." Come on, bruh. We're gonna somehow get this thing in the air. I don't know yet. We gotta move this shit out of the way. Get the Lexus in the air. Look at that tin. Also, I apologize. My dad's blowing the leaves. So that, oh, we got the clear tails, dude. I forgot about these. So sick. Yeah. We're gonna need more wood. That's how you do it. Master mechanic Danny and Fitz.
Keep on going. Right? No, keep on going. Keep on going. Okay, that's good.
Dude, this is gonna come up through his floorboard. You guys are giving me shit for using four lugs out of my 5.
Oh, this lug
dumbass
nut
has
is...
three lugs.
That lug nut was very loose. Okay, that one's tight. Looks like I was watching 2 on this one.
Do you only have 3 in both the fronts? That I don't ever want to hear shit about my car again.
This is my daily too.
So bad.
As you can tell, I don't give a fuck about this car.
What is going on, guys? It is Fitz and Danny back here from don'tgiveafuckindustries.com.
So right now, this has more camber than that side.
Why?
Because my front upper control arm got loose again.
Nice.
We're gonna take the arm off, put the ball joint. For max camber, he's gonna weld it in place. I'll get -8.
Stance car. -8?
Yeah, in front.
Sweet. This whole car is...
It's a shit show.
It's a shit show.
And this is my daily.
It's a shit show. The leaf blower's finally off.
Are we gonna start over?
No.
Should I put the sound back? Should I come back in?
Yeah, we gotta lower it. We gotta go all the way back to the
Durham.
Alright, Danny, please just use the impact, dude. Since you only have 3.
3, you lug nut head ass.
Come on, man.
I'm not used to fancy stuff.
Start.
Alright, drop that hoe.
Triangle pattern.
Drop that hoe.
Drop it?
Yeah.
Ooh. Almost dropped. Dude, where's the wood? We're not gonna be able to get it off the jack, dumbass.
Oh,
Ooh, dang, tucking. You gotta lower it.
I don't know if I'll be able to turn. Find out.
That's just the wood. Your fender's straight.
Oh, yeah.
Keep doing that, keep doing that.
It's moving the wood.
Yeah.
You almost slid off the wood.
Off the wood.
Dude, I got a hammer if you wanna roll it.
As you can see, the fender's already fucked.
Bye-bye, into the void. Alright, new plan.
What's up? We are taking the skinny ass back wheel and moving it to the front. That way he can fit the bronze wheels on the back of the car. Whoa! Dude, Danny, why the fuck are you so hot?
I don't know, to be honest.
I don't know if you remember, but a long time ago I had this like metal weight that I used to roll the BMW fenders. Today we're going to be using this metal bar to roll his rear fenders. So it's going to be great.
This side too.
This side too?
I'm about to find out.
Alright.
As long as there's a tire on the wheel, I don't give a fuck which way the tire is going.
Alright, dude, I got 2 of them.
So it's like these.
You haven't noticed? You probably have by now, but every shot has been either the ground or like somebody's chest while they're talking. Yeah, shout out Spencer. Thank you for recording. I really appreciate it, dude.
Best filmer in the world.
Yep, I will pay you all like 20 cents I make from this video.
Alright,
Drop it.
Yeah.
Send that bitch. Oh, that's fucking disgusting. Oh, I'm about to throw up.
You're gonna throw up.
That's fucking, yeah, that's so fire. Bro! God damn!
Fire.
That's fire.
Fire.
Fuck.
Okay, that was a little hard. I'm sorry. He's backing it off for the Hey, Danny.
That's why I don't do that. So what you do here,
Squirrel sound now.
what you do here.
Yeah? Just pop it back in. Do you have zip ties? Yeah? And then what? I ran out of zip ties trying to attach the Miata bumper. It's mint, alright? It's like, it's brand new. Yo, do that again.
That's why I don't.
Do that again, Spencer.
Oh, dude, I'm hot. No, dude, it is hot.
Yeah, that's what I've been saying all day. Dumbass was over there dancing. I missed it. Yo, bumper's back on. All it takes is one zip tie. What?
2.
I was gonna try to break it. All right, you gotta pose in front of the car for the thumbnail, okay? All right. Options here for the rolling the fenders. We got these magazines. We have this metal post. Listen. I want you guys to understand something. My dad went to UNC Chapel Hill, right? And I enjoy this. I enjoy this shit, dude. How do you think he feels?
I thought you got that. I thought they were putting a livery on that car.
Just fixing the paint.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh,
Quick shout out to my not sponsor, but I would happily take a sponsorship from Auto Arts NC in Raleigh. They're the guys who did all of my body work on the Skyline, and it came out so nice. We'll come back to the IS in just a second, but I want to show you guys. That side didn't even get hit, but you know what? It still looks good. All right, guys. This bumper is the same bumper that got hit by the couch. It's a brand new lip, got shipped from Japan, painted, and then blended it up the whole side of the car. Came out super nice. Did a whole bunch of fiberglass repair. I don't know if it was a bumper. I think it was just the skirt. And then, if you guys remember, there was a huge gash on the door, like that big, about a ½ inch deep. Seamless. Let's go take a look at the IS because it sounded like it just fell off the fucking jack. What's that sound or that song that's like Saldune? You know what I'm talking about from TikTok or Instagram?
I do.
I'm gonna try to find that sound for what's about to happen.
It depends on where the bear's at. Should I jump on it?
Yeah, we should.
Oh, fuck. You can do 0.5. Alright, ready?
Not working. Oh, there it goes.
Go down.
Watch your door not close. Dude, I cannot.
Can I just leave it there?
Yeah. Alright guys, this has been Fitz, Danny, Spencer, back here with another video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I apologize for the noise the whole video. Hopefully the sound comes out alright when I'm editing. But we're gonna head to Danny's house. I'm gonna go ahead and edit a couple videos for you guys. Once this video goes up, that will be a video every day this week. 1 week in a row, boys. Let's do it next week. Be sure to like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.